Hello everyone. Today what you're looking at here is a horribly beaten up 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage in white. It is located in my cousin's bedroom at her new house. It has a 153mm motor, most likely, 5 blade only. Has a integrated light kit. It's originally supposed to have a wider light kit with a dome on the bottom, but the globe had been replaced at some point. It has 3 speeds, and it's electrically reversible. So it's also a hugger fan, so I'm going to show you the close-ups. It's got white blades, reversible, the wash stoke, flush mounted. The blade arms are horridly beaten up. Like, this is not one of the higher end Harbor Breeze fans you can get today. It has the gloss in it. It's an older one. Base socket. They changed it to the counter base in the mid 2000s due to the DOE morons. And then they went back to meme base around a few years back. So yeah. Now we'll go ahead and begin the demonstration, starting off the light. We'll just take this tape off because it's pretty useless. Has one medium base light bulb. As mentioned, it has a medium base socket. I'll go ahead and demonstrate the bed, starting off with low. This one's going to be really slow because this fan has a steep blade arm. It's not really one of my favorites, but if I have one of these, new condition or whatever, I could resell it if it's still in good shape. The motor hub, not really a higher end fan. Like I said, it's a lower end. I ignore my brothers and my cousins talking. I apologize for that. And some background talking around from my parents. Alright, that's about for low. Here it is on medium. It's pretty slow on medium because of the bent blade. It's a pretty beaten up fan. Those are the vibration noises too. Oh, I will say I do feel a bit of air, but it's a lower end fan, so it's not the best fan out there. It's about for medium, now for high. Before I do, again. Alright, now for high. Here's the motor hum. I can only feel a little, but it doesn't blow that much air due to that steep blade arm. has a really loud vibration noise in that fan. Here's the vibration noises. I do feel a bit of air, but not that much because of the steep blade on, like I've said. I do apologize for the background noises if you hear any. Yeah, that globe is made out of plastic. I'll go ahead and shut off. We'll do a spin down. Okay, so the Armitage was Harbor Breeze flagship fans, and I'm not surprised that it is still being made. It's not being discontinued. They changed the white to a matte, and it doesn't have a Harbor Breeze logo stamped anywhere on the switch housing or on the motor housing. But yeah, pretty sad being up fan. I kind of want to replace this fan with some higher end showroom fans, and I'd rather find something like a Modern Fan Co. Hugger fan or something Minka Air Hunter low profiles, or I could do an original, but I'm not sure about the ceiling height. But there's no logo on the motor housing. So, one more close up, there's none to be found. So I'll go ahead and reverse the fan. Start off with low and reverse. Prove that's plastic. Alright, that's about for low and reverse. We'll go ahead and put it up to medium and reverse. Here's the motor hub. Again, blue hiss. That's about for medium and reverse. Now let's do high and reverse. I think I'm just bent, but I don't think the it's one of the greatest fans out there. Not the best fan in the world, but performance I did with my Armitage a few years back, it's alright with the other one. Despite the fact mine have a loose switch housing.
Don't lock the door, okay? No key.
Alright.
Don't lock the door, okay?
Okay.
Because no key.
Alright.
No key to open it.
I'm doing a video.
Yeah.
Go ahead and shut it up. And of course, I have. Go ahead, shut up and do spin down. I apologized about the conversation. That was my uncle. Apologize about that. I usually try to have other conversations with families, but it's a bit hard. So, yeah, spin down's pretty short. Alright, so yeah, the reverse switch is also loose, judging by the screw being loose on that. Someone modified it to make it work. So yeah, that's about it with the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage in white. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.